what do you want the world to know? What message do you have?
Oh wow, that's man. I didn't know we were going to the existential.
The battery's going low, so we've got to go deep.
If you've got something that you want to do, number one, what I would encourage you to do is find a support group. Find mentors who will support you and encourage you. There's this quote, and it says that if you have a new idea, that new idea is fragile. And if you have a dream, that dream is fragile. And it could be shut down with a sarcastic remark, a cynical look, or a stare. What you need is, it's like a seed. And if you have any type of aspiration, you need to surround yourself with mentors, people who will, till the soil, who will help you get better and help get you stronger to the point, and surround yourself with people who believe in your vision and your dream as well. And over time, you will achieve that goal. Today, I'm a full-time professional speaker. I never thought in my wildest dreams I would have a job that I absolutely love. I will never, ever work for anybody ever, 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 ever. So I hope you find that, whatever it is for you.